Hi everyone, in this video, I will explain to you how to set up Grasshopper for beginners. First is install Rhino and Grasshoppers. Download Rhino on Rhino official website. Install Rhino and Grasshopper will be automatically included. Launch Grasshopper. Open Rhino. In the Rhino command line at top, type Grasshopper and hit enter. The Grasshopper window will open, showing a toolbar with components at top and a canvas where you can create programs, or the main area. Next is understand the Grasshopper interface. The canvas or the workspace where you connect components. Where you contain categorized components, it is called tabs, like params, math, sets, vector, curves, or surface. Lastly is the components, the building blocks of Grasshopper. You can drag and drop this from the toolbar onto the canvas. Next step, set up your first script. Create input. Drag a point component from the params tab to the canvas. Right-click on the point and choose Set One Point. Pick a point in Rhino. Second, manipulate geometry. Drag a circle component from the curve tab on the canvas. Connect the output of the point or component to the input of the circle component. Click and drag between their ports. Next is adjust parameters. Add a number slider. On params, go to input, then slider to adjust the radius of the circle. Connect the slider to the radius input of the circle component. And then preview in Rhino. Grasshopper dynamically previews geometry in Rhino. Last is save and export. Save your script, go to File, then Save As to store your Grasshopper definition. And export geometry. Bake the geometry into Rhino and save it as .3dm or export to other formats. And then explore resources. Explore built-in tutorials, online courses, then forums. And that's basically it.